Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Presto app on Android mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Go to your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Presto app. Then search for it. Tap on the Presto logo. To download, tap on the install button. It will take a while to download the app. Tap Open to begin the Presto app. And this is how you can download or install Presto app on Android mobile. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.